Hello and welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we will teach you how to send GIFs and text messages on Android. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I work hard and spend a lot of time to create them for you. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Install and set up Gboard on your phone. Gboard is a free app that you can download from the Google Play Store. It has many features, including GIF support, voice typing, emoji, and more. To install Gboard, open the Play Store app and search for Gboard. Tap on the app and then tap on Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. To set up Gboard, go to Settings, then System, then Languages and Input, then Current Keyboard, then Manage Keyboards. Make sure that Gboard is enabled and selected as your default keyboard. Step 2. Open your texting app and start a new text message. You can use any texting app that you prefer, such as Messages, WhatsApp, Telegram, or others. To start a new text message, tap on the plus icon or the Compose button and select the contact you want to text. Step 3. Tap the text field to compose your message. You will see the Gboard keyboard appear on the bottom of your screen. You can type your message as usual or add some spice to it by sending a GIF. Step 4. Tap on GIF. You will see a GIF icon on the bottom left corner of the keyboard next to the emoji icon. Tap on it and you will see a collection of GIFs that you can choose from. Step 5. Browse or search for a GIF. You can swipe left or right to browse through different categories of GIFs, such as trending, reactions, animals, memes, and more. You can also tap on the magnifying glass icon to search for a specific GIF by typing a keyword or a phrase. Step 6. Tap a GIF to add it to the text message. Once you find a GIF that you like, simply tap on it and it will be inserted into the text field. You can preview the GIF by tapping on it again. You can also delete the GIF by tapping on the backspace icon. Step 7. Tap Send. When you are happy with your message and GIF, tap on the send icon and your text message will be delivered to your contact. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.